Let us learn something more about functions in this lecture.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, I'm going to have function. Suppose print my name, and here I am giving suppose m name. M name is the formal parameter that we discussed in the previous lecture, and here print my name is plus m name. Both are strings. Okay, so from this place, suppose this function is being called for many names. So what we will do is we will call this function by passing different arguments. So first call is print my name of the function, within parentheses suppose I write Anand Mahajan. Then again I am going to call this function but for some other name. Suppose this is Alan David. Okay, print my name suppose Ashok Singh, and so on. The same function is being called but by passing different arguments. So first time the value Anand Mahajan will go into the variable formal parameter m name, and when this function will be executed, my name is Anand Mahajan will be printed. In the second call, Alan David is being passed, so value of formal parameter would be Alan David, so my name is Alan David will be printed. Similarly, my name is Ashok Singh will be printed. Let me execute this program by pressing Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, Ctrl Shift F10, and this is the output. My name is Anand Mahajan, and these are the outputs that have emanated from one single function. So what we have learned is, if we want to do something in a function with different types of values, we don't have to recode. So a lot of redundancy is saved. So what we can do is we can call the same function with different values. Like suppose I go back to the previous the program that we have discussed in the previous lecture. Like here I was calling the function sample in order to multiply two numbers and then printing them. So in the first call I had passed 100 and 200. Now sample I am passing, suppose my requirement is different, 90 comma 100, no issues. Sample 10 comma 70. So same function will be called time and again but different arguments. So each time values of these formal parameters var1 and var2 would be different, and that will be according to the arguments passed to it. So first time value of var1 var2 in the first call will be 100 and 200. Second time it will be 90 will be passed to var1, 100 will be passed to var2. In the third call to the same function sample, 10 will be passed to the formal parameter var1, 70 will be passed to the formal parameter var2. So each time the output will be different. Control Shift F10. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, there are three outputs. Let's go back to the current program. Now, sometimes what happens is, sometimes there ought to be a default value. For example, my name is equal to, here I write, suppose I write unknown or any name, just any name. I have written unknown, and you can see here I am calling this function print my name, and see carefully, this time over I am not passing any argument. ABC, XYZ, Ashok, Alan, Anil, I am not passing any value. Now what will happen? There won't be any error because I have used default value. So what will happen is, now this time over the value of the formal parameter would be automatically taken to be unknown. But remember, in these calls like print my name Anand Mahajan will be put into my name. formal parameter, and is equal to unknown will be ignored. Similarly, print my name Alan David. Value Alan David will be assigned to my name and unknown will be ignored. Similarly, in case of Ashok Singh. But in case of print my name, when you are not passing any argument, what would happen is my name, because my name is not being passed any argument, so the default value will be taken to be unknown, and my name m name, when I will print m name, it would be unknown. Control Shift F10. I'm going to execute the program. Yes, as you can see, my name is Anand Mahajan, my name is Alan David, my name is Ashok Singh, my name is unknown. So this is how default argument value works.